Alright guys, here's take 2 of the shoe restoration. Here we go. I decided to go with the yellow because the other stuff that I was using was not working very well. So I decided to put the sprinkle blue into the black paint. It's pretty good that way. Here we go. There's my shoe restoration, and it's a sloppy job because I don't really care, because this was only really meant to be kind of a joke. So I was like, that's kind of neat. Anyhow, if I was going to care, these are about to go to the garbage anyhow, guys. I'm going to use it. It worked for a little bit. I know one thing's going to happen. This paint is going to start to crack on here. I know it. I know that's going to happen. It's going to start to crack on there. That's why I said I'm not caring if I do a really good job. This is acrylic paint. See, I already had this stuff. I didn't go buy nothing, guys. I already spent too much time on this shoe. But there it is. I even put the old shoelaces back in. If I really was going to restore shoes, this is not what you want to do, guys. Put the old shoelaces back in, and you want to get at least some new shoelaces. So this would take like 3 coats to do it right, maybe 4 even. Gotta let it dry. See, there it is. You can see little speckles maybe in there, the blue speckles. Alright, there's my shoe. Hope you enjoyed it.